Hello YouTube, it's Devontae Graves back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be talking about Lead Lightning, maybe a little bit of Bitcoin if we have enough time for that. I really want to talk about Lead Lightning because that's where I left off from my YouTube hiatus. Well, not break or whatever, I was just away at college. But anyway, I want to talk about Lead Lightning. I want to show you what I've been doing, which hasn't been much since my last video talking about Lead Lightning. I'm gonna show you my buyers list. I've gotten my first sale was about, I think, my first 3 days into making the account. I got my first sale, and ever since then I'm gonna show you my leads real quick. I haven't been really promoting it at all. This is just all natural. Just, I don't know how they found me, but I haven't been promoting it at all. I am gonna start back, promoting it as well. As you can see, I haven't had a lead in over a year now. So I gotta get started on that. But I really want to talk about how much I've earned. You see my buyers. Let me go back to the buyers list. You get $6 for every sale that you make with Lead Lightning. But if you upgrade, as you can see, I missed out on a $15 commission. I missed out on more money if I would have upgraded to the Power Lead system. So you do, if you like me, you just want to spend $7, that's cool. But you eventually going to want to upgrade to the Power Lead system. You get higher commissions, and you can customize your capture page. You don't have to have the generic one. Let me see if I can go to it. Yeah, you don't have to use the generic capture page as this one that everybody else uses. You get to create your own capture page when you upgrade to the Power Lead system. I plan on getting back to it. I just wanted to just give you guys a quick update and everything. I will be posting my strategies and things of that nature, because I haven't used it at all. I haven't shared my link with anybody, and that's basically all we have to do with Lead Lightning. All we have to do is just promote the website, and they do everything else for us. We got autoresponder and things of that. Everything is set up for us. We just gotta advertise, share the link, just keep sharing the link, and that's really all we have to do, and everything else is done for us. Let me see, anything else I want to talk about. We even have banners and things of that nature, video marketing. They even give you training. They even have a training area. You can, if you want to go through it, it's very informative. The training, they have everything for you, and this is all for $7, and you can still earn money with that $7 little investment. And this is something that everybody uses. All the big time people use Power Lead system because it works. It's very efficient. The system is very easy. They're like spoon feeding you, you know what I'm saying? But all you have to do is just promote the link and get people to your capture page, and everything else is done for you. Let me see. You can even see who's been looking at your emails. So let's say you sent out an email. This is the last time someone read my email, and you can see and click which person that was, but we're not going to expose that person. But yeah, and let me see, anything else I left out. Yeah, they do payouts. I can go to my money, my e-wallet, go to my commissions, and as you can see, I've been paid on 6 different occasions. I mean, not on 3 different occasions, excuse me. And again, everything is simply done for you. They still have the banners and everything for you. Let's say you want to run a solo ad, like a Udemy solo ad. You can just copy this message and put that in the email, and then that's how you can get more leads, because your website is right here. So that's how you can get more leads to your website. They have all the tools for us. All we just have to do is just execute, and they, like I said, they have the training for us, and if you got the money to upgrade, I recommend upgrading because there's more benefits when you upgrade. But for right now, I'm just sticking with Lead Lightning right now, and I think that's all for today. The link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.